How to join a group in Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to join a group in Roblox. The first step is to open or launch the Roblox application, just like you can see here. Once you land on the homepage of the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option, which is represented by 3 dots. This will take you to the More page. On this page, scroll through the list of options and make sure you tap on the one named Communities. Please note that Roblox no longer refers to them as groups, but rather communities, though the function is the same. Once you open the Communities page, you will see a list of different communities that you can join. If you don't see one that interests you, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to look for a specific community by name. After finding one you like, tap on it and you will see the option to join. Go ahead and tap Join, and depending on the settings of the group, you may be added instantly or the request may be reviewed first. Once approved, you will become part of the community and can start participating. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to join a group in Roblox.